Checking your forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony. And Brett, the heat and humidity is continuing to build.
It is a summer-like pattern. I mean, it's typically a summer pattern we would see maybe when we got into the early days of July. But here it is, early days of June, so it's a little summer preview. The fact that we haven't had a lot of rain here lately kind of concerns me about summer, especially as warm as it is going to be this week. We've got one of these what we call upper-level ridges. This is going to be air that's just piled up about 25,000 feet, pushing down on us. As it's pushing down, it's sinking, it's compressing, it's warming, and so the temperatures really respond by warming into the 90s. The closest storm system's out in the Pacific Northwest. It will not impact East Texas here. Heat index next 5 days. Tomorrow, 98. Look at Wednesday, Thursday, near 100 degrees. Friday, around 98. Saturday, probably peaks at 103, so very hot. A couple showers out there. One right here, southeastern parts of Sabine County, or I should say Panola County, and then into parts of Rusk County. That's it that we can see at this time. Otherwise, showers that were close to Sam Rayburn have moved out of the area. So we have fair weather, puffy clouds around. 92 in Longview, Tyler right now at 92, Jacksonville at 91, and Lufkin at 85 after it rained, so it's kind of recovering there. There is a bit of a breeze in the shade that might feel at least maybe a little bit of relief there, but the humidity is just so high, it's tough to get the air stirred up. Tonight's forecast dropping to 75 at Tyler and Henderson. Air conditioner is going to get a workout, probably a little overtime. So if it's punching the clock and wants some OT, you're going to have to feed it because it is going to be on standby all night long, coming on warm and humid for sure. Tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. temperatures already up to about 80 degrees. If you have anything that you need to get done, especially if you're susceptible to heat and warmth, try to do that earlier in the day, outdoor work. Tomorrow afternoon, check it out. Little isolated showers, almost the same area as today. Otherwise, these highs are in the mid-90s. Marshall, 94 tomorrow. Nacogdoches could hit 94. Future Skycast Wednesday morning, this is going to be all this humidity surging northward. We see that in the form of low clouds. It burns off, we get back to sunshine. Then heat of the day, isolated showers again. Where it does thunder, you drop into the 80s. So Crockett falls to 86 degrees, but it's 94 at Center, 93 at Longview, 93 at Mineola, 94 out in Canton. And then Thursday, we're going to do this all over again. Low clouds in the morning, afternoon, we clear off, temperatures in the lower 90s. All right, rainfall forecast. Next 5 days, 20% chance tomorrow, 20% chance Wednesday, Thursday, 20% chance, and Friday, a 20% chance, and I think Saturday, maybe a 30% chance of rain. All right, tomorrow morning, temperatures in the mid-70s, warming all the way back to the mid-90s. It's going to be a warm day tomorrow. 20% chance of rain, that's it. So it's likely dry. You may have to water those tomatoes or those beans or whatever you got growing in the garden. Baylor Scott & White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. 93 then tomorrow with a 20% chance of rain. Isolated showers again Wednesday, Thursday. High temperatures mid-90s. Slightly cooler with more cloud cover Friday, 87. But back to 95 Saturday when that temperature hits in the lower 90s. We'll start to see little thunderstorms pop it up, little popcorn isolated thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. More of the same. There's a more significant front on the way Monday, bringing us a 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And look at your cooler high, 86. It is trending cooler next week with a few more rain chances, and we're going to look at that in your 10-day forecast coming up tonight at 6 o'clock.